So yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. Today is day 17, and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 168 Excel sheet column title. So this is an easy levels problem. So we have given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appear in an Excel sheet. Okay. So basically we have to we have given the column number of the Excel sheet and we have to convert it into the character. So for example, A belongs to 1, B belongs to 2, similar way, Z belongs to 26. So and later on, like after Z, we have A, B, like that. It will continue, right? So if give you the clear picture, so basically this is our Excel sheet, right? As we all know, and it starts from index 1, index 2, index 3, similar way, and after 26 alphabet it start appending again top of the A, it will be double A, B, A, C, like that. So we just get the column number, we have to tell this string value, right? So if we see the example 1, so we have given column 1, so 1 is basically none other than A, the first column of the Excel sheet, right? If it is 28, so total 26 character. So 27 will be double A and 28 will be AB. The next letter is getting appended after the first one. First will remain fixed till 26 next characters. Then after this character is getting appended, right? Similar way, like in example it is 701. So similar way, its output should be ZY. Okay, as we all know, English alphabet have is 26 character, and even here it is shown. So in order to get the exact column name, we have to use a string builder in order to create a string, because if we direct use a string, it is immutable. We can't update the value. So we will here use string builder in order to return this answer here. And given constraint, it can lies between 2 to the power 31. Okay, so total integer range. Fine. So what we can do is we'll first take a string builder. String builder. Let's say answer to me a string builder. So it is just a class which is used to create a string. Okay, and we have multiple methods created inside inbuilt string builder, so we can use it. So so it is always be a positive number. So in order to check, what we can do is we will run into while loop till our column number become 0, right? So we have to run till positive integer only. Okay. So what we can do here is, so as we all know, like ASCII value is for alphabet starting from 0 itself. So in order to fetch the alphabet, we will first make it at 0 indexed column number. So whatever we have, the column will be given, we'll make it the 0 indexed. Okay. So if we got 0, in that case it will return A. If we got 25, in that case it will return Z, right? So as this can be greater than 25 as well, or 26. So in order to find that, we will take a digit. So what is the current digit? So in order to find the current digit, we will take the modulus. Okay, modulus of 26. So it will give us the remainder, right? So let's suppose we have 27, and if we do modulus here, it will give remainder as 1, right? So 1's ideally means B. So for T7 case, we will make it as written as 28 because we are making it as zero indexed. Okay, and why we have created making it as zero index, because here like in conversion it will be easier to store in our string builder, right? So what we can do is I'll take string s equals to, not a string, like basically it will give every character, right? So we'll take it as character, and we'll make our digit plus a, so it will give us the current character. Okay, but I will also do the typecasting here. Okay, so now as we have got the current character, what we can do is here we will store in our this string builder. So ns dot add, we will add not add, we will append. So append is the method which used to append the string into the string builder. So we will append the character here. Now after appending the character, we will just divide our like current column with 26. So next character we can found similar way, like it goes to the next loop again. It will do 0th index value. It will take the next digit and convert and then append, right? So this will go till our column number becomes 0 or negative, right? After getting this, so basically what will happen here is so in a string builder we are appending from left to right, but in answer we need to return as right to left. So for example, one here we can take 27, so it will append let's take 28. So here if we do the modulus or using 26, it will return uh, 1, and for 1 basically it will be, so we are appending first, then it will becomes 25, and then we are modulus, it will take 0. So 0 will nothing but it's a, so in this case it is getting appended. So ideally it's we should return answer as the reverse of the current one. So ideally AB is required here. So on appending into the string builder, what we can do is after getting all the appending all the characters into our string builder, we will simply just do answer dot reverse. This is the inbuilt method that a string builder provides. So we reverse our answer, and here we can directly return reverse, right? Let's try running test cases, we'll see. So we have got the exception. Okay, my bad. So like basically this function return type is a string, but we are returning directly the string builder. So we have to make it as a string. Okay, we'll use the inbuilt method to a string. Now we'll see. Yeah, so it got passed. All three test cases passed. Now we'll submit and see the other test cases. Cool. Yeah, so 100% it is written, and all 22 test cases got passed. Okay. So yeah, here if we talk about the time complexities, so basically we are looping till column num, so it will be big O of n, right? And a space complexity in is we are taking the class a string builder, so it is a constant 1. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Let's meet on the next video. Bye.